this chart looks too nice to not talk about it. This is Bitcoin Cash, and the chart looks actually very nice. So I was looking at a lot of other coins. What coins am I gonna make video about? But this chart looks good, right? I mean, you cannot complain about that. Like over here, there was bottom. This is in June 2022 when Bitcoin Cash went down with everything else. This is Bitcoin bottom. And after that, it's just been climbing towards the upside. Over here, there was an accumulation phase. Then it came to this bottom over here, exploded, created a new bottom, exploded. Right now, created a new bottom. So it is climbing towards the upside over here. And it does look nice. I was thinking, like, why is Bitcoin Cash performing so well? Because a lot of other coins are not performing well, right? They came down here and right now they're down over here, right, somewhere, right? But Bitcoin Cash went in the other opposition towards the upside. Now, on the fundamental side, I'm not really interested in what's happening with coins. I'm just interested in charts, and this chart actually looks very, very nice. So let's analyze a little bit on the small time frame. What you're gonna see over here right now, that Bitcoin Cash had a very nice consolidation over here and exploded through that. So that means that this consolidation after the first move towards upside is pretty much over, and right now it's doing the next move towards upside. Now how big the move towards upside is, I think it's gonna retest the tops over here. I'm gonna tell you why, but right now I'm looking at 680 again to retest these tops, and if it goes above that, it's gonna probably go to all-time high, not all-time high, but all-time high resistance level, and that's on the monthly time frame. So you go to the monthly time frame. What you're gonna see here, we got a very major resistance level up here at monthly time frame on 995, give or take $1,000. This is a major level resistance, but right now we are testing this level over here. And this level over here, that's also the tops over here, so we are going for that. We got also another major level of resistance, that's around here, give or take. That's where we are right now, but right now, if we Bitcoin Cash can actually break that, I think it's gonna go into this blue box over here and retest these levels, and if it breaks, it's pretty much given it's gonna go to $1,000. Now, how high this is gonna go, I'm a little bit unsure about that, but it does look actually very, very nice. So there are not actually a lot of charts that look like this over here, where they hit the bottom in 2022, and since then it's just slowly been climbing, but Bitcoin Cash has. To tell you the truth, never believed that much in Bitcoin Cash, but right now that I'm looking at a chart, it does actually looks good, right? So I'm like right now looking at 630, 670 give or take up here, and then 997 once it's actually broken, but right now this is actually pretty much given that it's gonna retest that, because over here, just below the blue box, we had the consolidation is broken towards the upside and is going higher. And if you also look at the indicators down here, you'll see that we are not overextended like over here. These are overextensions towards the upside. We are not overextended on the RSI. This is a rubber band indicator. We are not overextended on the momentum. Momentum chart's actually just breaking the zero line, which is actually very, very important. And we don't have any actually that high overextensions on the my own indicator down here. So indicators look good. Even on the monthly time frame up here, we are just sitting right now at 60 levels over here on the RSI. Right now we are very, very low down here on the overextensions. So it's not overextended. It hasn't, come to certain highs, and I just don't see any right now any problems for why we should not test these levels over here towards the upside. Now, how high it's gonna go after that, give or take, I don't know, because last time, this is the Corona bottom in March 2020. I'm a little bit unsure how far down it came over here before that in 2018, but it did 10x from the bottom over here. Now if right now it's already at 640, so all the way up here towards top is like 10x give or take. Will it go to all-time high? That's gonna give it a lot higher pump than previously, but I think 10x from the bottom up here, $1,000 is pretty much given. The question is, once it actually breaks this level over here, 997, how high can it go after that? And will it go 20x or something like that? Because the chart actually looks good. So I would say that 20x is pretty much realistic over here right now. It's around $2,000 over here from these bottoms, because the chart actually looks good. Like if the chart was looking like this over here, I would never say like it's gonna go 20x from these bottoms over here, but right now it does look like it actually might do 20x. It looks good, guys. What am I gonna say? It looks good. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Bye bye. By the way, there is public Telegram channel down in the links below. Click on that and I'll see you around. Bye bye. Where's my outro?